What's going on, everybody? I'm AK Maraki, and today we are at the highest point of the Kanimbla Valley in the Blue Mountains. We're staying at the Hilltop Cabin, so let's check it out. So the Hilltop Cabin is actually part of the Logan Brae retreat properties. I actually stayed at one of them previously, the machinery shed. I'll put a link to that video right here. There's actually 3 of these properties and a 4th one in development. So as I said earlier, the Hilltop Cabin is settled at the highest point of the Kanimbla Valley with panoramic views across the Blue Mountains escarpment. It truly feels like you're on top of the world. So for dinner tonight we have caramelised fennel kachiri with sausage and roasted pistachios. Might do some stargazing too. What do you reckon? An offensive amount of stars this evening. Look at you guys. You really came out. You're showing off. Come on. Look at this. I never see this many stars when I'm out. Oh, how many of you? Look at that. Stop it. What if I told you to take the red pill and subscribe? Your life could change forever. There's another fire here, but I'm not going to light it because I believe it's hazardous to my survival. I'm sure the sunrise will be incredible tomorrow and I'm not going to miss it, so I'm going to leave you right now and call it a night. See you in the morning. Good night. Good morning, good morning. Looks like it's going to be pretty special sunrise. Helipad? It's not a helipad. I call it my helipad for my drone. Look at the size of it. And now, I'm just waiting for that little guy. Look where we are. Top of the world this morning. Loving every bit of it. Well, that was one of the better sunrises I've had in a while. Just unbelievable. Guys, doesn't that hurt? It looks like it would really hurt, guys. Why are you climbing on this cactus? You guys must be a couple. At least you're both into it. It's getting to that time of the video again where I'm going to sum up my stay at Hilltop Cabin. The Hilltop Cabin has every possible amenity you could ask for and more. This cabin offers unparalleled luxury surrounded by wild countryside. Looking at this, it's all the senses. It really is staggeringly beautiful out here. You can even spot eagles soaring over the valley. Or relax and take a plunge in the pool. The landscape affects the human psyche, kind of like a fine piece of music, and should be taken at the right tempo. For me, every time I'm in it, I keep finding new elements of balance and freedom. So get to the hilltop cabin and kick back and enjoy the panorama around you. 360-degree views, rolling hills as far as the eye can see, and to die for sunsets. The dynamism of visual forces. Anyway guys, it's time for me to go. I'm very sad to leave this place, but I can't wait to see you in the next one. Bye for now.